It is the Gold Dome, something many of us see every day, and now the Savannah City Council is looking at how to improve City Hall. 2 floors of the old 4-story building need a facelift. Right now, an advisory committee is looking at how to try to make it happen. News 3's Cheryl Sutton with us now to take us on a tour. Cheryl?
That's right, Joanne. This 112-year-old government building falls under historic guidelines, so restoration requires preserving the integrity of the time period. After decades of normal wear and tear, the Savannah icon now faces a multitude of nagging neglects. Here's a closer look.
It's a crown. It's right there in the center of our historic district. So I think it's a very important symbol of Savannah.
It's a hub for tourists, complete with its own staffer, brochures, and guided tours.
So we have people that come to City Hall on purpose. They seek it out, and then we have a lot of passerbys that are drawn to this building with this gold dome. They're walking by and they're like, "What's that?" And they stop in and check it out.
But they can only see part of the first floor because of safety concerns.
This is a hazard to just have this open. So security does not let people up here the rest of the time unattended, but it's hard to sort of monitor everybody during a council meeting.
And even areas that they can't quarantine.
We have to have security in a government building, but how can we incorporate that security without it overtaking the space?
There's structural concerns over this mosaic floor fissure, those cracked plaster ceilings, finials that secure glass globes secured with cardboard imposters. Then there's less pressing issues like half-century-old drapes, battered woodwork, orphaned light fixtures, water stains neglected after repairs, capitals atop columns that spontaneously fell off because the forming glue is so old.
It was built for our citizens. It was built to be a building for a century to come. We've now exceeded that century, so now we're just planning and preparing to make sure it lasts for another century and more. This building has become so iconic today.
Meanwhile, many departments in the city are bending the council's ear for a budget boost. Tonight at 6, we'll show you some creative ways under preview to solve this restoration dilemma. Cheryl Sutton, WSAV News 3.
Cheryl, thank you.